Here I have come up with few conjunctions which are used to show reason in sentences. These different conjunctions are used at different places. So now let's see with the first conjunction, which is because. Because is always used in the middle of the sentence. Neither it is used in the beginning of the sentence nor it is used at the end of the sentence. It is always used in the middle of the sentence. And the sentence is, she decided to bring an umbrella because the forecast decided rain. So the reason behind bringing umbrella was the weather forecast which predicted rain. So here in this sentence, as we can see, because we have used in the middle of the sentence. Now the second conjunction is since, which is always used most of the time in the beginning of the sentence, but sometimes since can be used in the mid of the sentence when there are two clauses in sentence. So yes, since most of the time is used in the beginning of the sentence, but sometime it can be used in the mid of the sentence only when there are two clauses in sentence. Here, the first sentence where we have used since in the beginning, which is since the meeting was postponed, जैसा कि meeting postpone कर दिया गया था, we have now more time to prepare. Here we have used since in the starting, जैसा कि meeting को postpone कर दिया गया था, so now we have more time to prepare. अभी हमारे पास extra time है prepare करने के लिए. Second sentence is they have been friends since they were children. So they are friends from quite long time. Ever since they were children, they are friends. Here we have used since in the mid. As since we have used in the mid because we have here two clauses in this sentence. Okay. Now the next conjunction is as. As it was late, we went home. जैसा कि late हो रहा था तो हम घर चले गए. Here we have used as for reason in the starting of the sentence. And it as is a conjunction, as is a conjunction which can be used in the beginning and in the mid. At both places it can be used. But as is not used at the end of the sentence. Whether it can be used in the beginning of the sentence and it can be used in the mid of the sentence as well, but not at the end it is used. Okay. Second sentence is we went home as it was late. हम घर चले गए क्योंकि लेट हो रहा था. Okay, so here we have used as for reason. So I hope you all have understood about all these conjunctions. Thank you.